Hey Freunde, Servus, hier ist Renten. Wir spielen Life is Strange Episode 2. Sorry, wenn es jetzt ein bisschen länger gedauert hat. Normalerweise hätte ich am Dienstag die Episode hier aufgenommen oder den ersten Teil davon aufgenommen für euch. Allerdings war es so, ich bin heimgekommen von der Arbeit und war total platt und hat keinen Drang aufzunehmen und dann macht es auch keinen Spaß. Sorry, ja, jetzt sind wir auf jeden Fall soweit. Wir spielen, ich wünsche viel Spaß.
In the previous episode of Life is Strange.
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Called film
Whoa.
Little Pieces
What the
of Time.
fuck?
But he could be talking about photography.
Or have you done something wrong? Talk to me.
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
For reals, Warren, this is between you and me.
Don't insult me. Max, go on.
Hey, leave him alone!
Max?
Chloe?
It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Welcome home, Max.
That's Rachel Amber. Her missing person posters are all over Blackwell.
6 months ago, she just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me. Something happened to her.
Wait, is that grass? Tell me the truth. That's an order.
I didn't black out. I had another vision. The town is going to get wiped out by a tornado.
Max, tell me everything.
Something good. Oh, something good. Oh, something good. Oh, something good tonight. Make me forget about you for now. Get high. Hit the floor before you go. Matador, Esco color your mind, blood sport, but something good. Oh, something good.
No amount of rewind will keep me clean. I still need a shower.
Willkommen zu Life is Strange Episode 2. Ich lieb's einfach. Der Soundtrack. Alles.
No smiling. Take your power seriously.
Ne, sagt nichts mehr. Alles klar. Wir checken mal kurz das Handy. Wir haben nämlich neue SMS erhalten. Erstmal von der Mama. Aber er tränkt sie auch nicht. Wir haben das letzte Mal die Pflanze gegossen. Das wirkt sich natürlich auch auf die jetzige Episode aus.
Even with all this crazy shit going on, it is so cool having Chloe back in my life again. Like no time has passed.
Frage ist, gießt man sie oder nicht? Warte
Good
mal.
morning, Lisa. Your leaves are lovely today. I may not have a green thumb, but I have a green finger.
Ja, komm, ein bisschen
Drink
wenigstens,
up.
oder?
It's got electrolytes.
Wird sich auswirken. Wird Konsequenzen haben. Okay. Gucken wir mal noch auf den Rechner, was es
Warren
Neues
is
gibt.
blowing up my inbox now. As long as he helps me figure this out. This is so insane, it sounds logical to me. This wormhole thing makes total sense, but doesn't explain how I can do what no scientist ever has.
Also ich werde es kurz anklicken, dass ihr es lesen könnt. Ich werde es
I
aber
would
nicht.
say this is some crazy shit, but now I'm not so certain. Should I sign?
Aber ich werde es nicht alles
I thought
vorlesen.
I was into Halloween. Dana is not messing around here.
So, und wie in der letzten Episode wird es ein relativ ruhiges Let's Play.
I can't keep my eyes open, but I know there's a scientific answer.
Ja, ich würde ungern nur die Stimmung von dem Spiel
I
versauen,
could
wenn ich
rewind
ehrlich
for
bin.
days and read all of these books. Will I really find any insight into my power? That's the only tourist picture I let them take of me at the Space Needle. That was a good hockey game and a great fight. Man, Kristen and Fernando were so drunk hanging on the Fremont Troll.
Alte Erinnerungen. So, schalt mal das Ding mal ab. Ja. Nein, schalt's ab. Jawohl. Komisch. Anhören ist abschalten und abschalten ist anhören.
Do I know? Hamilton, the greatest. I am so not a rebel. I always like my bed to be neat and tidy. The Max Caulfield Photo Memorial Wall.
Also wir müssen ja auf jeden Fall duschen. Kulturbeutel.
Okay, Max, let's hit the shower.
Kulturbeutel sollte man mitnehmen. Ist vielleicht nicht schlecht. Spielen, sonst was? Nee, komm. Höchstens nochmal Spiegel anschauen.
Whoa. Hello, zombie face. This is what happens when you research quantum physics all night.
Seriously, do not forget I need those papers before tonight. Like now. Thanks, Sherry. Yeah, of course, Victoria. I'll get the tests and papers to you this afternoon. I am so on it. Consider it done.
Nee, mach
Fine,
nicht
I
auf.
won't disturb you.
Ow!
Wir helfen dir wieder, oder? Natürlich. Das fand ich immer am coolsten, dass man ihr mal helfen kann.
Alyssa, can you stand over there?
Okay, Max, if that makes you happy. Wow, now that was close. Thank you, Max.
Definitiv cool. Ich mag die Stimme von der.
I've never seen Dana this bouncy and happy without a pot of coffee.
We shouldn't be watching this.
What's happening, Dana? Everything cool between you and Juliet?
Oh, yeah. Thanks again for releasing me from her captivity. By the way, the best and biggest news of the day is that Trevor asked me to the Halloween shindig.
That's awesome, Dana.
At least we're showing our faces together in public. So you absolutely should go with us. Borrow one of my outfits and come as a cute geek couple with your bitch Warren.
I'm not big on cosplay.
Don't let life pass you by, Max. So, are you coming to the party or not?
Warum nicht?
Why the fuck not? If I hate it, I can always go back to my room.
That's the spirit, Max. After this, you'll be ready for a rave.
It does sound like fun. Now I have to go contemplate my party future.
Okay, Antibabypille, Schminke, Laptop, Rollschuhe. Ja, die Jacke könnte interessant sein.
Trevor is making himself comfortable. Ugh, hope they don't get busted.
Alles klar, wir sollten ja aber eigentlich zur Dusche. Ich frage mich nur gerade, ich glaube, die müsste hier sein, oder? Jawohl.
Hey, Kate. How are you doing?
I'm here. Thanks again for standing up for me yesterday. I needed that.
Anytime. That guy has issues.
Doesn't everybody here? By the way, Max, do you still have my copy of The October Country?
Oh, yes, of course. It's great so far. I didn't realize Bradbury was such a poet.
Can you please bring it back to my room this morning? I just need to take some notes for class.
Absolutely. I'll bring it by later.
Dürfen wir nicht vergessen. Gehen wir erstmal duschen.
What's up, Kate?
School.
That's it? That video of you clubbing didn't look like homework.
Victoria, that wasn't me.
Oh my god, right. Don't be shy. I think it's awesome you set a tongue record on video.
You're going to be sorry someday.
Oh, boo-hoo. I'm sorry you're a viral slut. I'm sure she had fun.
Looks like it.
I know Nathan hooked her up. And you know he has the good shit.
Preach it, sister.
Yup, I still have goddamn paint all over my face. Good thing my faithful minions took their sweet time bringing me a towel.
We ran all the way.
Give it a rest, Taylor. Now I know if I'm in an accident, I won't rely on you or Courtney for help. You can hang out with Kate. Or Max.
She's a weirdo with that dumb camera.
I hate that I'm so quirky crap. Anyway, let's leave the link to Kate's video so everybody gets a chance to see her in action.
You are such an evil biatch. I love it.
Die Evil Biatch. Nee, die ist...
I better get dressed and go give back Kate's book.
Die ist wirklich übel.
Is that the link to Kate's video? Damn, Victoria is so fucking mean.
Und
Even
weg
if I can
damit.
stop one person from watching it, it's worth it.
Ja, das typische Highschool-Drama, gell? Also... Ist schon übel. Schnell in mein Zimmer. Ich will das Ding auf jeden Fall holen. Victorias Zimmer. Wo war denn das? Ich glaube, es war hier, oder? Ja.
No fucking way. This is not why I came to Blackwell. And I still have to clean all this crap up after I find Kate's book.
Oh Mann.
Oh shit. Nathan's revenge. Even Chloe told me not to go to the principal. Man, this could almost be art if it wasn't so fucking sick and disturbed.
Ja, das ist wirklich krank. Das ist wirklich krank.
My desk is a pigsty, but I know it ain't there. And nothing here. Of course she just spilled soda on Kate's book. I better fix this fast. Kate needs the book, and I don't want to add to her list of problems. Be gone, foul soft drink.
Ich find's cool, dass das mit der Zeit
Aha, you sneaky book. You're mine.
zwar oft genutzt wird, aber nicht irgendwie an Überhand gewinnt. Also es ist schon cool implementiert. Definitiv. Ich ziehe mich noch schnell an und dann bringe ich das
Maybe
Buch
I'll just
vorbei.
put on a shirt and jeans. Hey, Einstein had the same exact suit for every day of the week, and he couldn't even rewind time.
Und Zimmer verlassen.
Now I can finally take this back to Kate before I'm late. As if... Oh shit. Now I'm getting anonymous threats? It never ends. This has to be from Nathan. But it could be anybody. I better be doubly careful around here, or I could be in serious danger. If I'm not already.
Wo ist Kates Zimmer? Hier.
Kate? You in there?
Yes, I'm here. Come in, Max.
Das arme, deprimierte Mädchen, ey. Ohne Scheiß.
Kate's art is perfect for a children's book. Everything looks so fun and colorful and positive. Why did she cover up the mirror? She can't look at herself? Kate is all alone dealing with this video bullshit. I hope her mother doesn't disown her. Kate used to play the violin every morning. She stopped last week. Kate's room is usually immaculate. For her, this must be a pigsty. Kate even makes notes in her Bible. My parents never once took me to church. I had nothing to rebel against. I don't know what to believe now. Maybe Kate has a split personality. Church girl by day, party monster by night. Damn, it's the all-American zombie family. Poor Kate. She doesn't look good.
Hey, Kate, I brought your book.
Max, why did you step in between David and me yesterday?
I had no choice. David Madsen is an asshole.
You had the choice to not get involved. Nobody here seems to care about anybody.
Kate, I actually do care. So, what's the story with you and David?
Well, he's a total paranoid ass. He thinks I'm part of the Vortex Club. Yeah, right.
Why does he think that?
Because he saw the video. You know how humiliating this is for me?
I know this sucks, Kate, but tell me about the video and maybe I can help.
Basically, I went to one Vortex Club party and ended up making out with a bunch of people. And I have no memory of it.
It doesn't sound like you. I can't see you partying with Victoria.
I didn't.
You have to tell me more than that. What happened at the party? Did you drink?
I swear to God, I had one sip of red wine, and then I drank water.
Not enough to get wasted, is it?
I don't get wasted. Ever. I take a sip at church, and I don't end up on a viral video, okay?
Did somebody drug you?
I remember getting sick and dizzy.
Go on.
Then Nathan Prescott said he would take me to the hospital.
Nathan Prescott? Oh, shit.
He was being nice for a change when he offered to help me.
He's the opposite of nice. What next?
All I recall is driving for a long time. Then I woke up in a room. I thought it was a hospital because it was so white and bright.
Go on. I'm listening.
Somebody was talking to me in a soft voice. I thought it was a doctor until I heard Nathan and felt a sharp sting in my neck. And... That's all I remember. I don't know what happened. I woke up outside my dorm room the next day. I didn't have any marks or bruises, but I felt gross.
So, who took the video of you at the party?
I have no idea. Probably Victoria. She was there being her mean self.
Jesus, Kate. I'm sorry. This is serious shit.
How do I get a viral video taken down? I know it's already spreading. What if my church sees that? I need to know what to do.
Kate, we'll figure it out. I'll check back later, okay?
Thanks, Max. You can put my book here near my bag.
Ja, ist schon schlimm.
So, Max, can I ask you a question? And please be honest.
Absolutely, Kate. Anything.
I need to find out if Nathan Prescott helped me or hurt me after that party. Should I go to the police?
Boah, scheiße. Nach Beweisen suchen.
If you do that, they won't believe you. You're on video grabbing at all those guys, and they'll use that against you. Bad.
But I know I was drugged.
That's what you have to prove, not them. I'm just telling you how the cops in school will look at this. The video doesn't exactly back you up.
You make me feel so hopeless.
No, Kate. I just don't want you to get hurt anymore.
That seems impossible at this point. So that's your answer?
I think we should wait. There are other things going on that might help you.
But not right now. So I can walk down the halls with people calling me a viral slut. Thanks, Max.
Good job, Dr. Max. She didn't like what I had to say, but we need more proof of what happened.
Lass mal so oder spul mal zurück. Ich denke, ich lasse es so. Das Kaninchen will ich mir noch anschauen. Ah, Foto. Es stimmt ja schon, was es sagt, dass es zur Polizei gehen absolut nichts bringt. Deswegen lassen wir es erstmal so, wie es jetzt ist.
Ouch. She left out Damnation.
Okay, ich vermute, wir sollten dann rausgehen. No Emojis, das kenne ich noch. Erlaubt, dann ziehen wir jetzt los und gehen zum Two Whales. Doch vorher scheinen wir hier noch ein bisschen abzuhängen. Ist auch okay.
The paint job looks great. Samuel knows his color schemes. The birds are flocking around Samuel. Hey, Samuel. You're up early.
Oh, hello, young Max. I do love the early morning. Everything is so calm and quiet. And I can feel the animals waking up with me.
That's one thing I truly love about Arcadia Bay. It's all those cool animals in the forest.
The squirrels always come in the morning for food. I can hear them whisper. What animals do you see in the forest?
Ja.
Don't laugh, but I saw a doe that seemed to be looking right at me. Like it was trying to communicate.
Oh, that's your spirit animal. Nothing weird there, except you saw yours. Could be a sign about your destiny. What do I know? My spirit animal is a squirrel.
So, What did you think about that freak snow shower yesterday?
Another message from the Earth to get our shit together. I will say that Samuel hasn't seen anything like that before.
I so don't want to get in the way of your morning ritual. See you later.
Of course you will.
Ich mag den auch, den Samuel. Er ist zwar ein bisschen komisch, aber ich mag ihn.
Can't Blackwell have at least one no football zone? Warren told me that totem is named Tobanga for a reason nobody knows.
Ich habe ehrlich gesagt gedacht, dass wir davon ein Foto machen könnten. Aber anscheinend doch nicht.
Release the Kraken. Come on, squirrels. Time for your 15 minutes of fame.
Jetzt können wir ein Eichhörnchen-Foto machen. Komm her, komm.
I better not get near the bench or the squirrel won't take the food.
Trau dich. Jawohl. Oh. Hopp. Hopp, Foto machen. Jawohl.
Yes! Another Pulitzer for the portfolio.
Uns Eichhörnchen ist glücklich. Wir haben ein Foto, uns Eichhörnchen ist glücklich. Das ist doch... Besser kann der Tag gar nicht beginnen, oder?
Hi, Taylor.
Hi, Taylor. Just because you were nice to Victoria doesn't mean I have to be nice to you.
I don't want to fight with you or Victoria. Instead of smack talk, let's just talk. For once.
You're funny. Well, I'm not doing anything at the moment, so talk.
Kate is really upset about the video. All this gossip is cruel.
Boo-hoo. That's what happens when you preach to everybody about sex. She'll live.
Why do you hang out with Victoria? She's pretty mean to you and Courtney.
And she's bossy too. Look, you don't know her. I do. And she's one of the best friends you could have.
I guess I've had mean, bossy best friends too. Better than having mean, bossy parents.
I would love it if my mom was mean or bossy instead of sick. But whatever. We've had our talk.
Wir können zurückspulen, um sie wahrscheinlich auf die kranke Mutter anzusprechen. Was wir jetzt auch tun werden.
Hi, Taylor.
Hi, Taylor.
I've heard that your mother was sick. I'm so sorry. What happened to her?
Well, if you do care, my mom had back surgery. Victoria was there for me. Like you are for Kate. I'm not about tearing people down, Max.
I know. That's why I wanted to talk.
I'm glad we did.
Sehr schön. Die ist jetzt vielleicht ein bisschen freundlicher zu anderen. Ist so krank, die Familie. Die Prescott-Familie.
The Prescott dormitory? Good lord, Nathan's family owns my dorm?
Max, check it out.
Warren is out and about already too. Looks like he's waiting for somebody. Warren, what are you doing here?
Oh, nothing. Waiting for a call? I mean, I already took the call. Anyway, I wanted to rap about that action yesterday.
Mir fällt gerade nicht mehr ein, was da war, aber ich sag, das war irre.
That was intense. Everything happened so fast. I owe you.
Oh, yes, you do. I got knocked on my ass by that dick. I'm some personal superhero.
You're a real everyday hero. You stood up to a bully and it was awesome.
Even though you left me with said bully and ran off with that girl, she's pretty punk rock. How do you know her?
An old friend, Chloe Price. We haven't seen each other in a while.
I bet you were glad to see her blast up in that truck like a rock star. Which begs the question, why is Nathan Prescott getting psycho on you?
Soll ich's ihm erzählen? Ich erzähl's ihm.
I busted him in a bathroom yesterday with a gun. I'll give you the story later. Principal Wells is taking care of it now, I hope.
Weird fucking week. Like that bizarro snowfall yesterday. Speaking of dystopia, that drive-in is having a 70s Planet of the Apes marathon. Let's go ape.
Let's go ape. Sind wir dabei, oder?
Yes, that's exactly what I need. I love those old school ape films.
Well, that was easier than I thought. Cool, I'll text you the info.
Sehr schön. Warren freut sich und wir haben ein Date mit Planet der Affen. Leute, bevor ich rausgehe, beende ich den Part hier. Ich brauche einen neuen Tee, muss aufs Klo und deswegen mache ich hier jetzt aus. Danke fürs Zuschauen, ich hoffe, ihr hattet Spaß. Wir sehen uns dann in Part 2 von Episode 2 aus Life is Strange. Bis dann, danke.